Have you ever wondered how data is collected and analyzed? How a simple question can lead to a plethora of information, insights, and knowledge? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we dive into the world of data analysis and graphing, specifically focusing on creating your own surveys. First, let's tackle the process of designing a survey. A well-crafted survey begins with a clear purpose. Know what you want to learn. This will guide your survey design. The next step involves crafting your questions. Keep them simple, clear, and concise. Avoid leading questions that might sway the respondent's answer. Remember, the aim is to gather unbiased data. Once you have your questions ready, it's time to decide on the type of responses you want. Will they be open-ended, multiple choice, Likert scale, or a mix of these? This depends on the kind of data you're aiming to collect, qualitative or quantitative. After your survey design is complete, the next step is to distribute it. You can use online platforms, emails, social media, or even face-to-face interviews. The method of distribution largely depends on your target audience and the nature of your survey. Now we move on to the exciting part, collecting responses. This is where you start to see the fruits of your labor. But remember, patience is key. Give your respondents ample time to complete the survey. Once you've gathered all the responses, it's time to analyze the data. Start by cleaning the data. This involves removing incomplete responses and outliers that might skew your results. Next, organize the data. This could mean categorizing open-ended responses or tallying up multiple choice answers. Now, you're ready to create graphs and charts to represent your data visually. Bar graphs, pie charts, line graphs, or histograms can be used depending on the type of data you have. These visual representations make it easier to spot trends, patterns, and anomalies. Finally, interpret the data. What story does it tell? Does it support your initial hypothesis or challenge it? Remember, the aim is not to prove your point, but to gather insights. To recap, the process of creating a survey and analyzing data involves several steps. It starts with defining a clear purpose, designing the survey, deciding on the type of responses, distributing the survey, and collecting responses. Once the data is collected, it's cleaned, organized, graphed, and finally interpreted. So the next time you're curious about a topic, why not create your own survey? It's a great way to gather information, learn something new, and practice data analysis skills. Remember, every piece of data tells a story. It's up to you to uncover it.